Hi guys. Okay, tonight I'm going to make a video about setting up what you need to do the hyaluron treatment. So you're going to start, you want to make sure the area is clean. You want to make sure your hands are washed. Your client's nice and relaxed. I do not use numbing cream. The process itself doesn't hurt at all. The part that might be a little bit irritating is the after swelling. Might swell a little and feel tight, but ice the area immediately. Try to keep the swelling as low as possible, and that should be okay. Compared to regular traditional methods with the big needles, the process is nowhere near painful like that. So I don't use numbing cream. I don't find it necessary. Okay, so I start off with a nice white napkin on the table. Okay, put it down on the surface. Then I make sure I have all my supplies. I use alcohol wipes. Always use an alcohol wipe on the area to be treated. I'm gonna put that down. I get my syringe of hyaluronic acid that I'm about to put into the face. And I have my sterile needle here as well. My gloves. So you begin by putting on your gloves. And take my Hyaluron Pen and get it out of the package. Okay. Because there's blood involved sometimes, you know, you just want to make sure, even though your ampoule is disposable, I always use Lysol wipes. Wipe down my pen just to make sure it's all fresh. Even though blood does not get on the pen, I just like to make sure it's nice and clean and sterile for the next client, or even for the dust that's sitting around. Okay, so you unscrew the pen all the way. Then it'll be ready to put in your little ampoule. I'm not going to open the ampoule because I'm not doing a demonstration on using the product tonight. I'm just pretty much showing you what it is to set it up. So this is the ampoule I'm talking about that goes into the pen. I've shown you in other videos how to put the ampoule, how to put the product into the ampoule. This is what you would do. Have it nice and clean, sterile. And, okay, so let me just show you here. So here, we got the pen. We have the alcohol wipe. We're gonna start with that. Gloves first. Alcohol wipe, clean the area, fill your product into the empty ampoule. Empty ampoule into the pen, load your pen, you're ready to shoot. Once you're done your process, that's how you shoot the pen. Normally it's with this inside. Once you're done the process, you're going to, I like to give my clients this little package here. It is vitamin A and D ointment. People use it for tattoos or injuries or minor cuts and scrapes. It's just a nice cream, kind of like Vaseline. You can use Vaseline if you want. I like to give the clients this to go home with. That's why I buy it in little packs. I open it up. When the process is done, a nice little wipe of the mouth. It makes it nice and glossy, makes it feel nice and soft, and it helps healing process of the little micro dots that you might have from the injection itself. So that's what I do. In the end, I do use ice pack. Let me get it. I've shown you in other videos, but I'll show you again. After all that process is done, I give them this. They put it on their lips, and they ice throughout the night. I tell them to do it on and off. Every time they start to feel the warmth coming back, a little tightening coming back, ice the area throughout the night of the treatment. All right, so I hope that helped you out. Stay clean, guys. I heard a terrible horror story yesterday. I even made a video about that, about people saying there are no needles involved with Hyaluron Pen. There was a teacher explaining to her students that it's really not necessary to change the ampoule, that is reusable. Absolutely not reusable. This is to be thrown out with every client and a new one opened for every client. All right, I can't stress that enough. If you don't, it spreads disease, and it's just, stay away from that. Okay, so even if you're getting the treatment done, make sure the person has opened a nice sterile ampoule for you to put in your pen. All right, I hope that gave you a little info on the setup, and I'll show you one last time everything I got down on my table. Right, I have my product, I have my ampoule, my alcohol wipe, my pen, ice pack, and aftercare ointment, and the gloves. So if you need any products, let me know. I also distribute what I use, and I do love the effects. My lips were done about, I don't know, 5 weeks ago, and they're still nice and plump. All right, so I've enjoyed my products. I'm hearing a lot about products disappearing along with the swelling, products that are watered down. Just be careful where you're ordering from, please. There's a lot of bad things out there that we just don't want to mess with when we're putting it under the skin. Very important. Okay, have a great night, guys. Bye.